Topic: Impact of industrialization on soil quality in India and AI-powered solutions. India's rapid industrial growth fuels our economy, but beneath this progress lies a hidden crisis. Every factory, chemical plant, and mining operation leaves traces in the soil. Metals, toxins, and industrial waste seep into the earth silently. Fertile land is turning barren, threatening the very food that sustains us. Communities that have relied on the land for generations now face invisible threats, quietly accumulating beneath their feet. Soil is alive. It supports billions of microorganisms, nourishes crops, captures carbon, and balances ecosystems. Healthy soil is not just dirt, it is a living, breathing system, the foundation of life. When it weakens, crops lose nutrients, water systems are affected, and animals and humans are impacted. Protecting soil is protecting the future of life itself. The causes of soil degradation are closely tied to industrial and agricultural practices. Effluents from factories carry dyes, metals, and chemicals directly into farmland. Mining operations strip the earth bare, leaving it vulnerable to erosion. Overuse of chemical fertilizers and pesticides disturbs the natural chemistry of the soil, killing beneficial microorganisms. Gradually, this toxic combination transforms once rich farmland into barren land, leaving communities with diminishing harvests and uncertain futures. Data from across India paints a worrying picture. In industrial hotspots, heavy metal contamination in soil exceeds safe limits by over 300%. Organic carbon, vital for soil fertility, has dropped by nearly 40%. Nitrogen and phosphorus imbalances strain the soil further, while erosion and deforestation accelerate degradation. These numbers are more than statistics, they are warnings that if action is delayed, the land may never fully recover. The impact is felt far beyond the soil itself. Crops lose essential nutrients, and toxins enter the food chain, affecting both humans and animals. Rural communities, dependent on agriculture, face declining harvests and economic instability. Industrial progress, without care for the land, comes at the cost of food security, health, and social well-being. The ground beneath us may seem solid, but it is silently weakening. This crisis is a challenge of balance. Rapid urban expansion, deforestation, and industrial growth accelerate soil erosion and depletion. Floods, landslides, and desertification are becoming more frequent in affected areas. Yet, soil has an incredible capacity to recover, if we intervene wisely, with knowledge, technology, and sustainable practices. Ignoring the problem today will only make restoration harder tomorrow. Technology offers hope. SoilGuard AI is a revolutionary system designed to monitor and protect soil health. Satellites, ground sensors, and predictive models work together to detect contamination early, forecast soil fatigue, and alert farmers and industries before visible damage occurs. With real-time insights, humans can act proactively to preserve and restore the land, combining intelligence with care. Here's how it works. Sensors collect data on soil moisture, pH levels, nutrient content, and contaminants. AI algorithms analyze trends, detecting potential risks and recommending actionable solutions, whether it's using organic fertilizers, rotating crops, or introducing bioremediation techniques. Farmers and industries receive timely alerts, preventing damage before it becomes irreversible. Science and technology work hand in hand with nature to safeguard life. Across India, recovery is possible. Sustainable farming methods, cleaner technologies, and responsible industrial practices are already restoring soil health. Crops regain their nutrients, rivers flow cleaner, and biodiversity begins to flourish. Communities regain trust in the land, and livelihoods stabilize. This transformation shows that progress does not need to come at the cost of nature. With knowledge, care, and innovation, healing is possible. Soil is life. Protecting it ensures the survival and prosperity of future generations. With intelligent monitoring, sustainable practices, and collective action, we can restore balance to the earth. The soil can breathe again, and with it, so can life. Sustainable soil means a sustainable future. Sustainable soil equals sustainable future.